This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn assignment statement in GWBasic programming language. So first we will learn what's assignment statement is. GWBasic presents two ways to assign the value of an expression to variable. First, by using assignment operator, that is n equal to sign like this, which we have discussed in the previous video. And the second is by using let statement. Amazingly, it is the only statement which itself is optional. Is the only statement. Let is the only statement which is optional, but whose parameters are mandatory, means compulsory, or you can say obligatory. Its syntax is let is the keyword, or you can call it a reserved word. You can type the variable name right after the let statement and then put an equal to sign, and then on the right hand side of the equal to sign expression will be mentioned. Now we'll discuss the interpretation. Here the word let is optional. However, we must specify the variable name and the expression whose value is to assign to the variable. Now we'll type the example. So for example, you'll have to write a program. The program now we're gonna type for using assignment statement can be used with or without let statement. So viewers, now we're gonna type the program for using the let statement. First we'll type the line number 10, then type the remark over here. You know very well that rem is a keyword which is used to give remark in GWBasic programming language. So we'll type calculate average of two numbers, and the line number 20 will type let and type the variable name m, which is a numeric variable, and will assign 24 a numeric constant to it. And the line number 30 will type let and then type m, the second variable, and will assign numeric constant 26 to it. And then at line number 40 we will calculate the average by using the the variable name avg average equal to sign, then we'll add both variables m plus n and then divide them with 2, because you know that whenever we need to find out the average, we need to divide the number of all the values with this exact number. So since there are two values, 24 and 26, so we will have to divide it with number 2. Line number 50, we will print it and we'll type print keyword. Print statement will be used and we'll type average. And I have already explained you guys that whatever is mentioned with print statement enclosed in the double quotation marks will be printed on the output screen as it is. So average and equal to sign will be printed on the output screen as it is, and after the semicolon we have used the variable avg, which is going to show the average of these two values. So first 24 will be added into 26, makes 50, and 50 divided by 2 will give the value of 25. So 25 will be written over here. So the output of this program will be like average equal to sign space and then 25. So at line number 60 we're gonna type n, which is used to end the program. So here now we're gonna save it. So we'll press the F4 key and here we'll type avg.bas like this, and when we load it we can again type the name of the program avg.bs. Now we'll press the F2 key. Now you can see, viewers, the output is average is equal to sign in 25. So there's a space and semicolon is used to show the space. So here this avg will show the values of the calculated 25, which is the average of 24 by adding 24 and 26 and divided by 2. So we will get 25 as an output on the screen. So you can easily understand it, and it's very helpful to learn. You can use this lit statement is optional. You can use it over here at line number 20, 30 or 40, or you cannot. If you don't want to use, then you can always assign a value like by typing m is equal to 24, n is equal to 25, and avg is equal to m plus n divided by 2. So it's an optional statement, so it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. Now the second statement we are going to learn today is input and output statement in GW Basic. And now type like other high level programming languages. GW Basic also provides statements to input data and show results. Input output statements make the program more interactive and usable. In this section we shall discuss some of the basic input output statements of GW Basic. So that's all for today, viewers, and I hope that you like my video and you will also now learn today how to use an assignment statement by using the keyword let with or without it. So that's all, and thanks for watching.